If you're a PC user, having to update all your Windows apps and softwares is something that could take forever, because the traditional method would require you to go to the Microsoft Store and search for the apps individually and having to update each and every one of them. Or you could simply go to the manufacturer's website, download the latest options or the latest copies of the apps you want to update, and then install each and every one single-handedly. Now this takes a lot of time, and this takes like forever for you to be able to update all your apps. Now imagine you have 30-40 apps on your computer and you'd want to update each and every one of them. If you are to move through that traditional process, it's going to take forever. But what if I told you there was a way in which, with just a click of a button, you would update all your apps on your computer? And this takes less than 1 minute to do. I'm just going to show you in a second. I'll move to my computer and I'm going to show you step by step what to do to update all your computer's apps in just a click. But then, disclaimer, before we get onto the computer, make sure you're watching this video right to the very end, because whatever we're going to do, if you miss a step or if you do not follow keenly, whatever I'm going to teach in the next minute will not be beneficial to you. So make sure you are very attentive. Make sure you're watching and you're not skipping any part of this video, because whatever we're going to be teaching here is very essential and requires attention to detail. With that out of the way, my name is Happy Amira. Let's get right into it. So you're going to go into your PC and open the command prompt. Now, if you do not know what the command prompt is, the command prompt is a command line application which helps you to interact with your computer. Now, there are mostly two ways to enter the command prompt using the Windows search bar. So you bring your mouse pointer down to the Windows search bar here, and then you're going to type command prompt, which is CMD, and then you see command prompt. Now, a shortcut to do this is to type Windows plus S on your computer. So Windows S, and then it opens the search bar for you. Same thing, you type CMD for command prompt, and then you are going to run as administrator here. Now make sure you run as an administrator. Now over here, you are going to type in some certain strings of keywords to help you update your software. Make sure you like this video to lock it in, and let's get right into it. Now you're going to type Winget upgrade. So on your keyboard, you're going to type Winget and then space. Make sure you bring the space, and then you type upgrade. Once you type Winget upgrade, you're going to hit the enter key, and then you wait for it to run and do its thing. So once you click on Winget upgrades, I've already updated my software previously, that's why you can't see anything here. But then you'd be prompted, and then you need to click on Y, which is yes. So I'm going to type Y on my keyboard, which is yes, and then I press on enter key, and then I wait for it to finish doing its job. Now, as you can see, these are all the softwares that needs to be upgraded on my computer. So I'm just going to type another command to upgrade all of these softwares. And so the next command I'm going to type is Winget upgrade, and then you bring space. Once you bring space, then you type dash dash, and then you type all, just like you can see here, Winget upgrade space dash dash all, and then you press enter key. Then you wait for it to finish doing its magic. So once you're done here, as you can see, 15 upgrades available, and then it starts upgrading. Let me maximize this so that you can see. As you can see, it will start upgrading the softwares on your PC. So as you can see, this is updating the Audacity. That means it is updating it to the latest version. So this would depend on how fast your computer is. So this is 15.9 megabytes in total, and you are going to see it update in real time. I'm going to fast forward this video till the end so that we see the outcome. Now before that, it is going to update each and every one of the software. So as you can see, the first software that is to be updated is Audacity, and this is what is updating here, 8 megabyte out of 15.9 megabytes. So it's going to do this for the remaining of the softwares, which is Audacity, VLC, WinRAR, Google Chrome, FDM, Microsoft Desktop Runtime, and a whole lot. And so that is the process right there, as simple as that. Now this process might take longer or shorter depending on, one, the number of apps that needs to be updated, and then two, the speed of your computer. So try this out. Let me know if it works for you by commenting in the comment section, and also like this video. If you want more computer tips like this, subscribe to this channel and put us on post notifications so that whenever we post similar content, you will be notified. I hope you found this video helpful. My name is Apiamera. I'll catch you guys next time. Ciao.